We're drilling the foundation below the blue line so that we can put rebar stub outs all along the perimeter of the foundation. Then after that we're going to put 6-inch mesh over the hole. There's also a vapor barrier that goes under here, but you can see the footings in a line here. Over here they are drilling through the concrete footing, and then rebar will come up and bend over and connect the footing to the slab. And here we've got more little footings here too. He's blowing the holes out, getting dust out so that we can squirt epoxy in there and then set rebar. So this footing here is where the shear wall will be, and we have some of the S bolts are going to go through the footing to hold down the wall here, which is a center shear wall. There is the 4-inch main drain sewer line coming up through the slab. The inspector signed off on that earlier today. And then we've got one more footing dug over at the house there. Then Ted has been backfilling the stairway. So you see the stairs here are getting filled in. There's our foundation drain there. And there is the drain system for the downspouts. So we're just grading for the new walkway here. The 2x4s here are to hold the concrete. Those are at grade for where the concrete slab will come up to. So the slab is going to be about 4 to 5 inches thick. Okay, so that's good for now. Plenty of work to do yet. They didn't have any. I can swing by and get some.
You don't need it tomorrow.
No. Okay, so this is Monday, and looks like the old walkway was torn out, and we're going to put in a new walkway. So we have our cement step forms built up here. Still has to get the rebar. Here is that is the gutter downspout drains, and down below beside that other pipe is the foundation drain. Concrete trucks are going to be here about 1:30 tomorrow. Concrete truck, boom truck, and going to have a lot of concrete going on tomorrow. This here is a 2-part Simpson epoxy gun. You can see the 6-inch mesh is all in place. These are the footings for post bases that we have to install. We have a test plug-in for the plumbing. So the water has been there for about 3 hours and has not moved. We have rebar every 18 inches, epoxied into the foundation, and then the 6-inch mesh will overlap that. Here we have our 4-inch sewer pipe is wrapped in foam so that it will deal with expansion and contraction within the concrete slab. There's 3 footings here and 1 large 36-inch square footing there. And these are our little concrete stands for the mesh. So things are moving along very nicely. You can see that Ted has done a bunch of the grading in here, and it looks like we are going to, instead of doing concrete for the drive, we're going to do pavers in the driveway. And the reason is that it eliminates 2 of 3 drain basins that the city building department wants installed. And so although the pavers cost more, it's going to save money in the long run because we don't have to install 2 drain basins. So okay, that is Monday, and I guess I don't know what day it is, 23rd, 24th, something like that. The 2x4s are the screed boards for the top of the slab. So concrete will just pour into that, and concrete will pour down into here. So once again, concrete, the trucks get here at 1:30 tomorrow, and the concrete guys are going to be here at 7. And they've got a fair amount of work left to do, so they'll be hustling all morning. But yeah, this is kind of the cool part. We're just about to shift over into the framing mode, which that's when Mitch and I start having more fun. So, alright. That is Monday. Tomorrow is concrete.